Welcome to the Blueprint Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage recalls. To view the list of recalls, you can click on the Recalls button on the main toolbar. The Recalls screen shows a list of patients due for recalls, along with the patient's telephone number, recall type, and location. If there is a calendar icon in the Next Appointment column, this denotes patients with upcoming appointments that are booked on the schedule. To filter the list of recalls, do one or more of the following. Click on the column name, recall date, patient, or recall type. To sort the list of patients in ascending order, click the column name again to sort the list of patients in descending order. Use the Quick Find field at the top of the screen to type the first few letters of the patient's last name. Click the Recall period, recall type, or location to filter the patients. Check the Hide Booked Patients button at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This will hide patients with upcoming appointments. Certain recalls generate automatically based on the data present in the patient's file. Automatic recalls can be removed or created upon request. Automatic recalls generated within the U.S. system include 30-day post-fitting, populating 30 days after a client is delivered a hearing aid. Hearing aid 4 years or older, populating 4 years after the purchase date of a hearing aid. Hearing aid warranty expiration, populating for aids which will expire in the next 30 days. Loaned aid due, populating for an aid with on-loan status. Not seen in past year, populating for patients who have not had an appointment scheduled in over a year. Automatic recalls generated within the Canadian system will include VAC 2-year hearing assessment, populating 2 years after an invoice has been billed to VAC with codes 320625 or 328370. WSIB Service Block 1, populating 30 days after a fitting has been billed to WSIB, where the aid has not been returned. WSIB Service Block 2, populating 6 months after a fitting has been billed to WSIB, where an aid has not been returned. Adding recalls. To add a recall, do one of the following. On the Recall screen, click Add Recall. Within the Selected Patients dialog box, select the desired patient and click OK. Or, to quickly locate the patient, type the first few letters of the patient's last name. Then, in the Add Recall dialog box, click the Recall Date field to select a date. Type in the recall reason in the field. When specifying a recall reason, be consistent with capitalization, spacing, and spelling as other recalls of the same type to ensure the recalls are grouped together. And click OK. Another way is to go to the patient browser, click on the desired patient, click on the patient drop-down menu, and select Add Recall. You can follow the same steps as before. To complete and cancel recalls, click on the Recalls main toolbar button. On the recall screen, click the desired recall line item. Right-click the recall line item and click Complete Cancel. Within the Select Cancel Reason dialog box, select a reason for the completion cancellation and click OK. The recall will be removed from the screen. To complete recalls en masse, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the desired recalls. Then, right-click and complete cancel. Choose your cancel reason and click OK. To postpone a recall, click the Recall button on the main toolbar. On the recall screen, click on the desired recall line item. right-click the line item and click Postpone. Click the calendar icon to select a new recall date and click OK. Mandatory recalls such as loaned aid due cannot be completed, canceled, or postponed. To view patient details, click on the Recall button on the main toolbar. On the recall screen, click on the desired line item. Then click Patient Details on the bottom of your screen to view the patient's file. We hope you found this Blueprint OMS tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call.